Hãy đến ngay với chúng tôi này, Five Star English, cùng vào lớp Anh ngữ 5 sao này. We got what you need.
Have you ever thought about how your daily life gadgets were created by our father when it what is that Vietnam industry in particular and the world in general? At the time the industry wasn't as developed, but so to be able to delve into this level of understanding, we will explore the problem for now. In many years ago, the Sumerian with the oldest new culture right on clay stelae. Without the Sumerian clay stelae, we know very little about this time. At the beginning of the 19th century, people made paper with rags that were thin with old clothes and then pressed into paper. That's incredible, right? And to know more about how to paper return to home.
Surely everyone aware that paper is made from a trees. You be surprised to know that paper it isn't made from the thin and soft leaf. Rather, they hard and locked locks. Now to make a paper, we need 4 steps. The first in step 1, forester plant the trees and they choose the tree are ready to harvest. Step 2, a truck driver bring the logs in the factories. And in step 3, the bark and the outer skin of the tree is removed to make the paper pump. And the last step, the paper pump put into a paper machine. The paper machine are comprised of 4 primary sections. The first, wet end section, 2, wet press section, 3, dryer section, and 4, calendar section. In wet end section, pump is mixed with water as well as addition filler and additive, then pump onto a belt. In wet press section, the pump move of the mouse belt on a felt belt. The pump move through a series of high pressure roller designed to push the liquid into the felt. When the pump enters the dryer section, it has started to take the shape of paper. In calendar section, it uses roller mounts opposite of each other to create a smooth finish.
Pulp and paper mill contribute to air, water, and land pollution, and discarded paper and paperboard make up roughly 26% of solid municipal waste in landfill sites. In Vietnam, there are 5,000 industries produce paper. To produce one ton paper, industry use 30 to 100 cubic meter water. In 2015, in the world, the industry released to 174,000 tons of emission to air, water, and land, out of a total 3.3 million tons of emission released by our industry in Canada. In the United States, the pulp and paper industry released about 5% of all industrial pollutant released in 2015. Of this total waste released by the pulp and paper industry in the U.S., so we need reduce paper.
6 simple ways to reduce paper waste from your daily work life. Firstly is think before you print. Next is take paperless notes. Next is use online or cloud storage for your life. And keep recycling bin handy. And hard disk can keep our office looking. And finally is cultural support. This news has ended. Thank you. See you next week.
5 star, 5 star, 5 star English. 5 star, 5 star.
Five Star English, một công ty thuộc tập đoàn giáo dục Atlantic